Welcome back to Rock It Don't Stock It, and today we're going to look at the Arc Originals tea rooms. Right, let's get straight into this one. So we've got the Arc Originals tea rooms. This was a limited pair made by Arc Originals. They're a homegrown independent brand based in Aberdeen, Scotland, and this is their second shoe release, and it went pretty well, which is awesome to see when a smaller brand starts coming up and bringing out things like this. The upper is a panelled calf suede, and the colourway was inspired by a well-known architect, Scottish architect, and his style of stained glass windows. So as you can see, they've got a few colours reminiscent of that. His name was Charles McIntosh, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, that's the inspiration behind the shoe. I think the colourway and the quality is top notch on these. As it's a small independent brand, I was quite surprised by the attention to detail and the work put into this pair. So it puts a lot of bigger brands to shame, if I've got to be honest. Let's just get into the shoe now. So they got this minty green here, like a sea blue around here. You've got a light pink on the toe and sort of a wine red on the tongue. The midsole is a compressed EVA midsole. Outsole is a rubber gum outsole. Finishes off the shoe pretty well, in my opinion. So that's about it to the shoe, and they're finished off with some blue waxed laces, flat wax laces, and we've got the Arc branding on the rear, and we've got Arc branding on the tongue as well, in that same wine red. So as I said earlier, as a small independent brand, I'm really impressed with how these have come out. When I ordered them, I wasn't expecting to be so surprised, but I think these are awesome pair, and I think that it just goes to show, if the right people are making the shoe and they've got that passion for the shoe, then you can come out with some amazing things, and this is proof of that. So got both the shoes here. I'll show you the box it came in as well, which is pretty sweet. It comes with a few extras. The box itself comes like this, so it's like a flip lid sort of box as normal. It comes with this canvassy dust bag, which the shoes come in and they're in the box, which is pretty cool as an extra. Little car air freshener, which is designed by Sneaker Tunes, Mr. Steve Piantoni. Give him a follow if you get a chance. But this is pretty sick. Nice little extra there, and you get another set of waxed flat laces, which is always a good thing, having extra laces. I'm going to be shooting the on foot video after this. I'll give you a nice little look on how they are on foot. Unfortunately, I think this pair is sold out online currently. I'm not sure if the guys at Arc will be restocking or not, but I think they're most likely sold out by now. Another thing about the shoe is they fit pretty big. I got my true size, which is a UK 8, and these fit about half a size to a full size big, So you'll see when I try them on and I do the on foot video there's a bit of a gap at the front, but nothing a few pairs of socks won't solve. So that's that. Let us know what you think of this pair in the comments below, and be sure to check out the on foot video coming straight after this. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll be pushing out some more videos as soon as possible, and give me a follow on Instagram at Rocket Don't Stock It. But that's about it for these. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.